Page 1. Animals should wear clothing because a crocodile would look very handsome. Page 2. Animals should wear clothing because an elephant could run faster in sweatpants. Page 3. Animals should wear clothing because Mr. Walrus is going to work at the liquor store. Page 4. Animals should wear clothing because Mr. Turtle would speed in his new hot air runners. Page 5. Animals should wear clothing because the giraffe would be warm in the winter. The end.